Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Cash App referral code. So the first step you need to do is to you and your friend can both get bonus when they use your Cash App referral code to sign up for Cash App. And make sure that your friend is above 18 so he can use accounts easily. So the first step you need to get the your friend need to get the app and enter your referral code when they sign up. Okay, link a new debit card or bank account to their Cash App account. Okay, and then your friend need to send $5 within 14 days of using the referral code to an account that is not linked to them. Okay, so this is a process that your friend need to follow. So how to use Cash App referral code. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.